Good morning, class. We have completed chapter number 2nd and exercises of chapter number 3rd, Robinson Crusoe, first exercise and second exercise. In the first exercise, what you have to do? You have to do add form adjective from adverb: sensibly, humbly, luckily, politely, leisurely, and terribly. And then exercise number 2, filling the blanks for these: badly, worse, and worst; late, later, and latest; little, less, and least; much, more, and most. Now, we will start doing exercise number 3rd of page number 30. Use an adverb instead of the underlined word. Use an adverb instead of underlined word means in the place of these underlined words you have to write one word, but meaning will be same. Means we will replace one word with this word, but meaning will be same. The boy lifted the injured child with great care. With great care means very carefully. What we have to write here? Carefully. B. She spoke in a soft way to the child. In a soft way means softly. The man spoke in an angry manner. What is the manner of the man? Very angry, so angrily. The children listened to their teacher with great attention. The children listened to their teacher with great attention. With great attention means very attentively. What? Very attentively. Carefully, softly, and angrily and attentively. Now, exercise first of chapter number 3, page number 32. Page number 32, exercise number 1st. See if you can match the phrase verb with their meaning. See if you can match the phrasal verb with their meaning. Means these are phrasal verb and you have to find out their meaning. To put away. What is to put away? To put away means to save money. To save money means put away means कुछ थोड़ी सी money save करके रख देना. To put in. To put in means to interrupt. To interrupt means to stop someone by speaking. To put off. To put off. To put off means to delay or postpone, means late. To put someone out. To put someone out means to upset or inconvenience, means make someone disturbed. Then E. To put up. E means to put up, and what will be the meaning of put up means to stay temporarily, means to stay for some time, not permanently. And F. To put out something out. To put out something out. F. To publish. As we publish the book, we publish any magazine. So the first answer is class. To put away means to save money. To put in means to interrupt. To put off means to delay or postpone. To put out means to upset or inconvenience, means to make someone unhappy. To put up means to stay temporarily, means for some time. And to put something out means to publish something. So this is for today class, and from tomorrow we will start chapter number 4 in literature work, means course book we will start. And class I will not send the link of the video in the group. I will send the link of the video in the app where you have to find it out. As I send the video, how you have to find out? Go in the app and find content. Go in the content part and there you will find out the link of the video. I will send you the topic, and with the help of this topic you have to find it out from the help of app. I will send the work in the group, but link of the video in the app only.